Today we're looking at a new community by KB Homes. This is going to be the Glade series in the Meriden master plan over near the Galleria Mall in Henderson. This model is going to be 2,469 square feet. It's going to have up to 5 bedrooms and up to 4 full bathrooms. So let's go inside and take a look. KB has just started this community, so it's got a long ways to go, but it's always nice to be in one of the beginning phases. Your best deals are generally at the beginning of a community. If sales are robust, the builders are going to be raising prices, and currently they're starting at $499,990 $990 for this floor plan. It's going to be a nice open layout. You're going to have a huge kitchen. The island is optional for the larger size. It fits in really well. You're going to have plenty of room for an 8-person table if you wanted to. Easily fit a large sectional. You also got a walk-in pantry in the kitchen. Plenty of windows for natural lighting. The builder is also an energy efficient builder, so all of the lighting is going to be LED. This is going to be the optional 5th bedroom. It does come standard as a den. You can get just a door for the den, but the bedroom option is the way to go. It's got a big walk-in closet. When you get the bedroom option, you also want to get the bathroom option to go from a half bath to a full bath. For the price of the upgrade, it's well worth it in the resale market. There's going to be 4 total bedrooms upstairs and a nice sized loft. The hall bath for the 3 bedrooms on this side. Really nice sized secondary room. Does also have a walk-in closet. Bedrooms 3 and 4 are not quite as big as that one. However, they're still a pretty good size. Really large primary suite. I've sold this floor plan probably 7 times because it's just a very well thought out floor plan. The optional separate tub and shower, they do have an option for just a big walk-in shower. Good sized walk-in closet. But if this is not the right home for you, give us a call, 702-480-9137, and we'll find you the right property to fit your needs.